With your wife? Yeah. Okay, have a good one, Mike. That's it. Didn't you scan nothing?
Yep, starting to video. It's okay to you.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, no worries.
You have a subscriber in the airport.
He knew me.
Airport.
Ask Rose how many times we go places people know me.
Galing. Galing meron ka na. It's automatic.
It's automatic? Oh, sorry. I thought you had to do it manually every time.
Wala.
Ito, first vlog natin, stick try nyo, stick
Yeah.
Try it. Try it.
Oh, I've already had Sticko. You used to sell this at your store.
Ay, meron kayong store, Philippine store.
The Filipino market.
I thought this is the first time you
Maybe we go to the grocery store too.
You want to get
a little bit of
Yeah, it's still 6 o'clock.
How's the worst airport? Your experience?
It's fine.
Fine.
The airport here is very clean. Like it's clean. It's very clean.
It's better now than before.
They don't have box thing for the immigration thing.
Before it was messy.
Where's Angelina?
She's here.
Tali, samtal. Das gestond das Filipinas. Angelina. Oh, you waited yesterday?
Yeah.
What's this here?
We gotta pay.
Oh, that's what you pay? Here, I'll give you money.
No, I have it.
Passport. Because I don't know why they don't. Here's my stamp here for the Philippines. I got a stamp for the Philippines now. And then went to Portugal in October.
Experience the road.
I told you, it's better that way.
Oh, here, I'll even make a video.
Can you rate me in the paano ba sabihin niyo? Rate me in when I'm driving, diba?
How's my driving?
How's my driving?
Okay. If you guys are hungry, let me know. I don't care. Like anything you guys want to do, it's up to it's fine. It's still 7 o'clock in the morning.
We're gonna go shopping and then we're gonna pick up a coffee.
Yeah.
McDonald's.
That's a plan.
Caxias compras? Caxias compras?
We're gonna go drive-through.
Right.
Oh, look at the street. Looks old.
Rate the
If the
streets.
now.
All right, so what's this street? This looks very old and historic. It looks very old and run down. What's street is this?
That's the new.
Welcome to Bonifacio, Taguig City.
It's not historic.
It's
Barbaric.
It's barbaric.
Look at the wire. Electrical
Look at the the electrical wires. They're just all over the place.
Barber shop. Everyone.
Wow. Is this like a market?
Look, welcome,
Yes,
welcome. There's the sign there.
Palengke.
Market.
It's Palenque Market?
Yes.
50.
Ano yan eh, hindi mo
Mercado
masabing,
in Spanish.
hindi mo masabing palengke yan eh, mga vendor lang eh.
Street
Gilid-gilid
vendor.
lang.
Like street vendors.
Nakita niya. Kaya nga sabi niya mag-ano.
Bili ng live vest.
Is that for a liter? 54? So that's holy shit. That's a dog. Short.
The wire?
No, I just want to make a short.
Oh, like short.
Yeah, YouTube likes
YouTube,
when
right?
likes when I make shorts more than I make
Yeah.
regular videos. I don't know why.
I don't know why too,
Like
but
trying to cross.
I find myself at 3 a.m. scrolling through shorts on YouTube.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah, it's
Is that
good.
good?
We're cruising through downtown Manila here in the Philippines.
You film it?
I'm filming this shorts. I almost got that guy. I got him on camera for insurances. Don't worry. Call the insurance company. Say, hey, look at this guy. Oh,
Don't forget to rate me.
you actually stop for the crosswalk? Oh, whoa.
Crosswalk and then stop.
Here in the Philippines, you only stop in a crosswalk when you see someone.
Don't forget to rate me in my driving.
Oh, I like those buses.
Those
That's
are
a
jeepneys.
A jeepney.
Yeah.
Want to buy,
I have a t-shirt with that.
Yeah.
baka gusto yung sumakay sa jeep, no?
Yeah, sakay mo.
You want to experience to ride a
Yeah,
jeepney?
One day.
Okay.
Yeah, take him.
We will. I'm here for a whole month, so we'll figure shit out.
Santa Lucia. ganun.
Biyaheng parang Fortune, tsaka Cubao,
I think the baby ate.
Cubao let's ride to jeepneys.
You'll see some jeepneys here that are like attending car shows.
Oh yeah, because
With
they're all
like-
polished, right?
With no, not polished, but like with loudspeakers and like all the graffitis and stuff.
It's kind of like the
Look at the road,
Right.
the ano to, pedestrian lane. They have a
Barrier.
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 because it cross everywhere. Makati clean.
Oh, nahuli
What's
dati.
this?
Kaya nga, baka
Oh,
mahuli
we're
tayo.
going to Jollibee's?
That's
Ah, dyan ba tayo mag-drive-thru?
Hindi. Ang hirap eh.
Doon tayo
Baka
sa-
huli na nga sana tayo dito.
Bakit?
Sa araw tayo
Oh,
dito
but
ng
it's still
straight.
7 o'clock in the morning though. I don't know if it's
May
open.
manghuhuli ba?
They're
Wala.
open.
May camera
There's
naman
a
eh.
lot of fast food.
May camera
24
naman
hours
te. Don't
I know,
worry.
you have to put the camera so you guys always have a proof, you know?
Mhm.
Dinala ko.
The proof is the
Dash
proof.
cam.
You have the proof.
We ride like
First time in
Nasa
nasa EDSA tayo.
EDSA.
So what is this? Is this the
EDSA road experience the
so is this where the junction is to cut off to different towns? Where you break off here?
explain mo na rin.
Is
yeah,
this
like basically this is like the highway that we go and then we exit in some I'm not familiar with this road. But
This
basically
is a
junction.
famous road. They call EDSA,
EDSA.
right? Every car pass here, going to like SLEX, going south, north, whatever.
so it's a main
Going to
thoroughfare.
other-
It's
yeah,
a main
it's a main
thoroughfare.
road.
It's like a highway.
Yeah.
Ito, sikat tong ano na to.
Famous. street.
Famous road EDSA.
Famous road, yeah.
Because of the traffic.
Traffic, worst traffic ever.
This is a highway in Philippines.
This is like comparison to 401, babe.
Okay.
Canada.
This is EDSA road. This is
Look at that car.
experience the
Going inside.
experience the EDSA.
Sing it.
Filipino highway. There we are.
It's EDSA highway.
So where does this take us, to Marikina or like north? We're going north, aren't we? I think we're going north. Is that a SkyTrain babe up there?
No, that's
It's also Skyway.
that's also a road.
A road. Okay.
Expressway.
Remember the left lane like a while ago
Yeah.
before we entered this tunnel? That was it.
Oh, it takes it.
Hindi, ano ata to? MRT?
Hindi, yun kanina.
MRT yan.
No.
Oh, MRT.
yeah,
The
No,
trainway.
it's not.
It's not. May ano yun, may mga sign. May mga advertisement eh.
It's also a road.
Train niya to, pababa. Nasa gitna eh. Oh, nasa ilalim yung MRT.
Yan.
Ayun.
Yung kalsada nga, yan oh.
No, it's a road.
Oh, kalsada nga nasa ilalim galing.
Between your legs. Don't fall.
Here we go.
The sign's coming up.
Here.
I'm so
We used
surprised.
to.
I'm so shocked. Remember, tell Rain, Rose, tell Rain how many American flags you saw when we went to America.
Oh, lots.
Everywhere. It's patriotic. I don't know.
Oh, you haven't seen. Oh, actually, over here we use those flags only on like offices, schools, government. You know,
Yeah.
offices, buildings.
So this is like the entertainment district here,
Kind of thing. Yeah.
Or is
Kinda,
it
yeah.
entertainment?
That's what we
or is it?
Yeah.
It looks entertaining. That's why. It looks like Times Square.
Yeah, it's kinda. Yeah.
Advertisement.
Here's an EDSA also. Yeah.
Biruin mo, no? Sa gitna ng kalsada may entertainment, no? Hindi ka manood.
Yeah. The
Dami
big
also.
banners and
Billboards.
billboards.
Di ba nakaka-distract yan ng ano, pagdadrive?
Yeah.
It's really nice. I like these TVs. Reminds me of Times Square. A lot of it's under like renovation, eh?
Want to experience there in the hotel, Sogo Hotel?
Yeah, that's the one that,
It's a famous, ha? Sogo Hotel, sa
is
famous.
it famous?
Famous
Pasok ka na
hotel.
dyan, Ray? Sige, pasok kita.
Yung mga ano,
Are they renovating?
sir, pangkape lang, sir, ah.
What is it? What is it?
Pangkape lang, pang candy lang, oh.
Are they renovating some of these buildings?
Can you translate it?
No, they're just dirty.
Which one?
No, there's a lot of framework around these buildings.
No, you're
No,
saying
there's
about
like,
that yung
The
babae?
framing. There's a lot of framing around the buildings. Is it to restore the buildings or what are they doing?
Some of those are like since it's old, like some
Oh.
materials are broken down and the owners don't fix it, so it's
Oh,
like,
so it's like
it's
a
left to look
support.
like that.
Support.
yeah.
Daming langgam.
Wow, but
Well,
I like
how's
these.
the road,
The road's fine.
the
The road's fine.
rough?
It's fine.
How
The
experience?
TVs
Oh, look
everywhere
at
are
the river,
really
babe.
cool.
What the river is this again?
Pasig River.
Pasig River?
I really like these TVs everywhere in town. It must be really nice to be here at night to see them.
Yeah.
Yes. A good place to visit at night is BGC.
Again na ako lang.
Doon pumunta si ano, di ba? Si Speedy.
Oh.
Oh, look at the SkyTrain, babe. Look at the KFC, babe. Advertise the KFC. Look.
Oh my
Choose and
god.
match. Your
Oh.
favorite.
My god. Oh my god.
But mostly here is like spaghetti and stuff, but you just eat chicken too.
Yeah.
No rice.
The chicken sandwich too.
Naalala ko tuloy Church's
There's a place in the United States called Kentucky. Kentucky. And there's a place where they make chicken called Kentucky Fried Chicken, and it comes from Southern chicken.
They have lots of motorcycle, babe.
Yeah. I just feel bad they're in the rain.
They have rain jacket.
Still.
That's a normal life in
Yeah.
the Philippines.
That's me every day.
Life must
Daily.
go on.
That's like me every day.
Daily living.
So, hindi ko chicken. Chicken din.
24 chicken.
Oh, parang Korean style barbecue.
Mali tayo mamaya. I can keep pressing there because the door might open.
Walang pinto dun. Walang pinto sa kabila.
Ah, wala ba? Isang side lang ba?
Isang side lang.
Ayun, ako ng pating. Ano ba yan? One side lang?
Ito lang. Banti.
Oo. Oh,
Hindi naman katulad ng ganong nani.
akala ko na both side. Pero isa lang pala. You want more?
Diba gano'n rin yung ano?
Asa na yung tubig pala? Nagdala akong tubig ah. Babe, is there some water there? There's water there, babe?
Oo, ayun ang
Do you
lalim.
wanna film the Baha, babe?
What's a Baja?
It's flood.
Flood.
A little patch of water there.
Is there?
Yeah, right
I
there.
love a little patch
You
of water.
should
There,
record
there,
that.
there.
Later when it's a little bit closer.
I like patch of floods.
Oh.
Bus lane dito eh.
Pasukin na natin yan. Baha na eh.
Yeah, maybe get to the left.
This is the usually
lane.
you can't take this side of the road. Since it's only for what do you call it?
HOV.
Bus lanes.
That's okay. I'm here.
People try to avoid that.
But if you get caught by traffic enforcers, just slip in a 500 pesos or 300 pesos under, and you don't get the ticket.
Koto.
Gotong.
So here we are, guys, in the Philippines. It is rainy season, and we got a little flash flood here. Is that what it is, guys?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it up here.
Go.
Imagine the pain of the motorcycle.
I know. You know, it's really deep too.
Yes, especially on the right side.
Yeah, I see that. That's really, really deep. Wow.
This is flood control.
Kaya pala lang sila kumaliwa. Kasi malalim doon. Yung motor.
This guy's coasting on it. He's hydroplaning.
We need to go to right. This is the best lane.
Back way.
Take a video na ano, SM Mega Mall.
We want to go to the mall?
No, that's the SM Mega Mall.
This is a landmark.
Is it? We'll go one day and I'll make a proper video. I'll walk around the mall.
Maganda sa MOA.
I'll walk around like I'm important.
Ano na maze kaya?
Yeah, like I pretend I'm important.
Oh, the tenement court.
Galing, no?
This is SM
Box yung
Mega
mukha.
Mall.
Stage.
Oh, it's a nice place.
That's like one of the biggest mall in the Philippines.
In
This is
Asia.
the Mega Mall, the
They say it's one
All
of the biggest
Asia,
malls.
pinakamalaki sa buong
One of the
Asia.
biggest malls.
Kaya
Yeah, in Asia.
ano,
Mall of Asia.
Mall of Asia pala yan. Tapos Mega Mall, pinakamalaking mall sa...
Did you miss me, Rose?
Not really.
No.
It's only been one day, babe. What the heck? Oh man, it was just tiring the transfers and stuff. I was like happy that he didn't come with us because it's the Chinese.
No, the roads are not
Oh,
that bad.
this is the it's one of the shrine to babe. See, look at the left.
There's a
Okay,
guy
I see
sleeping.
Yeah. There's a guy resting there. He's tired.
Yeah.
This like I peeing
And
there.
this is where the high-end area, babe. This is where the rich people live. Here.
Really?
Yeah, that's why it's like
Politician and
See, like
yeah,
the-
look, they have the security guard there.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you have.
Yung mga lugar ng mayaman dito, mami, parang typical neighborhood lang sa Canada.
How come generally Aguinaldo?
Puro bakod na eh.
Iglesia ni Cristo.
Iglesia ni Cristo, ang ganda, ano?
Hindi iglesia, no?
Di ba?
Hindi yan.
Ay, ano yata yan, yung...
Christian. Limutan ko naman. Pero Christian.
Caltex. See, have you seen here Caltex?
Mm-hmm.
Here, gas station Caltex.
May ganyan naman sa kanan. Meron ganyan sa kanan. Wala.
Shem, Petron. Not get too hot.
It's not muggy.
Since it's raining, it's that's a lot better.
As long as it's not. Hot, it's not like that. Hot. Akala ko kasama ko yung anak mong maliit. Hindi pa nag-aaral.
Nag-aaral na eh.
Liam.
Pinakamaliit ko, makulit.
Si Liam?
Si Liam, nag-aaral na grade 1 na yun.
We should just sit down somewhere and eat too.
Yeah, you hungry?
I don't mind sitting down somewhere and talking and just like somewhere nice.
Yeah, we're gonna go in the store like with shopping where you can buy a food, eat, and then we'll go shopping.
Okay, yeah, we'll do that.
Saan tayo punta dyan?
Hindi, sabi mo sa SNR.
Wala pang ano doon, kailangan ko
Eh
yung
di, ano,
mag-member.
SM Marikina.
Bili mo na tayong
Sarado pa ngayon sa Marikina.
Ay, oo
Still
nga.
close?
Anong oras pa lang? Mamaya, pagsama mo baba.
Está cerrado.
O di sarado is closed.
I know.
So we're just
I
gonna
speak
go
Spanish,
eat,
babe.
then we'll find to eat somewhere.
Does this thing have
Yeah.
Bluetooth here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can I play my music?
Yeah.
Of course.
Handa
Oh,
na
but
kayo.
You need
the
to stop
car is
off.
running, so you won't be able to connect, I think.
Oh, you
Yeah.
can only
Oh, don't do that. Don't turn off the car for me. Don't do that.
It's okay. It's just you can do it. Okay, go.
For safety thing, you need to stop.
Oh, you don't have to stop for me, man.